Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to be back with a new video. Today I will be altering embroidery hoop. I have one video on my channel for a similar project, but it was in different colors. It was a wooden hoop. Today I'm working with a plastic one in green color. I'm using Lemoncraft Sincerity paper collection. This collection has a lovely light green, lots of light green designs, light green papers, and because of the hoop is green, I thought it will just look perfectly here. A part of the papers, I have some die-cut elements, chipboard frame, some metal charms, handmade flowers. I also have gorgeous leaves which were fussy cut out of the Sincerity collection, and some pieces of lace. My hoop is not bigger than 6 inches, so I don't need many embellishments to create a really nice composition. I will have a frame in the center of the hoop, and then I'm going to create 2 floral compositions on both sides of the frame, and then in the end I'm just going to add a sentiment in the center. I'm going to leave you with a music for a few minutes while I'm creating the project. I hope you will enjoy watching that process, and also I'm hoping to inspire you to create something similar. finish off my project, I'm going to add few sequins and glittery micro beads. These are actually polystyrene beads, very light, and they are sparkling, so perfect to finish off any floral composition. And this will be it for today. I hope you like my project, because I do love it. It has beautiful colors. I think the green and pink looks really nice together, and I'm hoping to inspire you as well. I want to thank you very much for all the comments you're leaving me. It means a lot, like I said many times before. Yeah, that's it. I want to wish you all the best. Have a lovely creative day. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.